Hi, my name is Carmen Rovira Bernal, course English B2. Topic: Effects of technology in the environment. Topic: Environment versus technology. What is environment? Environment can be defined as some total of the life or non-life element and their effects that influence human life. What is technology? The application of scientific technologies to the practice as on human life, or as is sometimes phrased, to the change and manipulation of the human environment. Benefits of technology. Here are some advances that technology in our life. Ease of access to information. The World Wide Web, abbreviated as www, has made the world and social digits. Saves time, aids the mobility, better communication needs, cost efficiency, innovation in many fields, improvisations being better learner techniques. So, effects of the technology on the environment. The existing technology has damaged our world in the two main ways: pollution and the depletion of the natural resources. Air pollution occurs when harmful or excessive quantities of the gases are carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrate oxide, and methane are introduced into the Earth's atmosphere. Effect of technology on the environment in the economy. Resource depletion is another negative impact of the technology in the environment. There are several types of earth depletion, with the most severe being aquifer depletion, deforestation, mining for fossil fuels and minerals, contamination of the sources, soil erosion, and oversourcing the resource. How the technology has affected our lives. Technology has changed the interactions of ourselves, mid-age, older, and some until the medium is medium for advances, but it also made imports advances in safety when it's come to home security and medical devices. It opened up new opportunities by helping with safety, mobility and connectivity. Trends the technology versus environment. What is the path of the technology of the environment has been highly negative. The concept environmental technology and console or planet. Thank you very much.